Hey there, Chris with Clean Streak Pressure Washing. We are on another job site here in Dunedin, Florida. For this client, we will be doing a house wash. If you look up at the gutters and the soffits, there's a lot of algae buildup. Now, usually we wouldn't need to use a ladder to reach the second story, but these homes are really close together and we don't have the distance between them to get the angle right. But as you can see, we have a lot more algae up in those soffits. We want to make sure we get a really good angle on all of that. Give you another look at these soffits. We'll make sure to get this fence as well. Now along the front, everything's in considerably better shape. But this is the south side of the house, so it gets more sun. Have a little bit of rust stains there. And of course, the front door. And the typical bugs and so forth. Now we're going to do what we can about that mud dauber up there. But as you continue on along, more of the same in the soffits. And of course, up high. As we continue on through the back, TV is covered, that's good. You can see these soffits are really dirty. There you have it. We have the van set up. We are ready to get going. now finished with this project here in Dunedin, Florida. This client got a house wash. Had a lot of buildup on the soffits and the edges of the gutters. And as you can see, we've gotten rid of all of that. We always like to hit these pads down here under AC units, pool heaters. There you can see the back. Put the camera up high so you can see the upper level. Got all these columns, window sills. As you can see, windows are glistening. And of course, up high, soffits and the gutters look like new. Also cleaned this back patio for them. Gave a rinse down on the furniture and the pavers. So there you have it. We are finished here. We'll be heading off to our next project. If you like what you see at this project, we'd love to earn your business as well. Give me a call, 727-200-2352.